In this session, we'll explain how to create a new costing sheet. Costing sheets are basics to create bill of materials. So to start, you need to open the product code, search for the style, and then open Add Costing Sheet on the Costing Sheet tab. Enter a costing sheet code and a description. The description is important, and the code also, because it specifies if the costing sheet will be based for internal or send out manufacturing. You have 4 tabs. The first one is materials, so you just pick any material from the material master data. In another session, we will explain how materials on different colors, different sizes, on different fabric consumption, for example, is linked to the parent item. Okay, so in this case, we'll just explain how to add materials to the costing sheet. So material could be any fabric, hand tags, trims, anything that's needed to manufacture the style. So basically, from here you can add a new raw material. Okay, let's create a standard bag with just a few information on the master data. And select raw material checkbox, as this is important to link raw material to the costing sheet. Now, the second tab would be routing. You need to create first, in another session, we explain how to create routing templates, and this is a way that you set up different operation to manufacture the style. At this stage, we worry only about costing all the manufacturing operation, but this is also the routing that will be followed by the manufacturing process. So again, we set up a new operation with the standard cost. Important here, we have a standard allowance minute. These are the time needed for manufacture each one of the operation by style. Okay, 12 minutes for cutting, 2 minutes for sewing, embroidery, and Q&A. And also we can link the default resource used to manufacture the style. So here we just specify where we will consume the raw materials. So we link the operation to the raw material. By doing this, we just can issue the material automatically when we manufacture the style. We add added values, for example, any custom fee, handling, or anything that would be indirect cost to our style. So we add a new cost sheet if needed, or we just keep working with this costing sheet. We start linking the price list in order to calculate the final cost of materials and trims. We can enter also manually if needed, also for the routing. And then we have a summary of total materials, manufacturing operation, different costs, what will remain here, landed cost. We can add cost percentage and profit to the style and calculate the selling price and link to any style price list in SAP Business One. So basically, the costing sheet will help you to create the bill of manufacturing and also to set up the selling price on the style. And also, we have an option to print the cost sheet with the cost margin as a basic to start calculating the price, the final price of the style. These are settings that will be explained in another session, how to create bill of material by different settings. But of course, we will be setting up this as this is important in the fashion industry.